To hide apps on Pixel 10a, you have to open the settings for the first. And now what we are looking for, and just go for settings and then open security and privacy. Now we have to go for that option called private space. You will have to use your password or fingerprint or face recognition. Now, as you can see, we have to click to set this up. It will actually allow us to hide any application that we have on this phone. As you can see, this will take a few moments, so you just have to be patient and wait for this. There we go, it's almost finished. It's just last step for checking some kind of the information. So we can create a Google account to help keep our data private, but we can also do this later. So just up to your preferences. In my case, I'm gonna do this later. And now we have to use, we got two options. You can use the same password as we have our screen lock, or we can set a different password from our screen lock. In my case, I want to use the second option, but if you want to get more protection, I will just recommend you to create a new password. So right now, take a look. We have to open the app drawer and click here on the private. Now in this case, I have to use my face recognition, and if I want to add here any app and hide it, let's do this for example with YouTube. I have to click add and select install apps. Now I have to just sign in into the Google Play Store and then download YouTube, and it will be hidden. So this is actually the only way, and it's also copy that application. So if you want to use the same account that you are using on this YouTube, you will have to do this on, you have to just log in on that one. So take a look. If I'm gonna open the Google Play Store, I have to add account. But if I'm gonna open the Play Store outside the private space, there is an account already. So as you can see, it just hide applications, but in the same case, in the same time, it just also copied it. And now if I want to log this, I have to just click on this icon. And thanks for watching this video.